Prepare for PCS alkaline batteries, neither acidic nor carbon. Prepare also a cross screwdriver. Install batteries. Take this part down. Locate the battery holder. Take it out. Remember, it's for batteries, not two. Put the battery holder upon the rope. It will let you much easier to take battery out in future. Now put back this part. This box has two unlocking methods: password and fingerprint. Default password is 1234. Now change password and add fingerprints. First, change password. There are two buttons: enroll and delete. Press enroll button and hold until light turns to red. Input new password, for example 1423. Press enroll again until light turns to red. Input new password 1423 again. Press enroll again and hold until green light flashes. New password setting successfully. Test new password. It works well. This box has 120 fingerprint users. The first two are admin. The rest are ordinary users. They require authorization of admin when registering. Now register fingerprint. Press and hold enroll button. Press digit 1 at the same time. Read finger 4 times. Now this finger becomes first admin. Registering second admin has same method to the first one. Registering the third fingerprint a ordinary user. Press enroll and digit 1. Read admin finger to authorize. Read finger 4 times. Test. Red fingerprint box unlocked means fingerprint registered successfully. Set box into whisper quiet mode, which means when box opened, there is no beep sound. Press and hold delete button for 3 seconds, setting successfully. Delete fingerprint. Press and hold delete button, press digit 1. All fingerprints cleared. Now only password can unlock the box.